Good day everyone, I hope you are all well. So today's topic, I will talk about algebraic expressions. So this video is for those who love maths, those who have an interest in maths. So let's talk about algebraic expressions. So this covers O level, IGCSE, as well as O level for same sake. Okay, so how do you simplify or express this as a single fraction? You can see 2x minus 1 over 4 minus 3x minus 5 over 12. So this question is usually 3 marks, and this one can be also 3 marks. So let's start with this first equation. So it says 2x minus 1 Okay, so what you do first, you find your common denominator. So what is common? Our common denominator here is 12. Okay, so we say 4 into 12, that's 3. Then this 3 will multiply 2x minus 1. So 3 will multiply 2x minus 1. So you show your multiplication by putting a bracket. Now, 12 into 12, that's a 1. So please note, if there is a negative here, so that 1 will take this negative. So 12 into 12, it's a 1. So that 1 will take this sign, which is minus 1, which is multiplying this 3x minus 5, like this. So after doing this, your maths is almost done. Now you just have to remove the brackets. You multiply 3 times 2x, that's 6x. 3 times minus 1, that's minus 3. Minus 1 times 3x, minus 3x. Minus 1 times minus 5, that's a plus 5 over 12. Now group your like terms and simplify. So let's take 6x and minus 3x, and let's take minus 3 and plus 5. So 6x minus 3x, that's 3x. Minus 3 plus 5, that's plus 2. You maintain your denominator, that's in 12. So up to this point, what can we do further from here? So there is nothing we can simplify here. Nothing to factor out here. Nothing can be simplified. So it is done this way for 3 marks. Okay, now let's look at number 2. Let's look at number 2. But before that, we can just find another question which is similar to this one. Let's take one question which might involve x denominators. For example, we have 2 over x plus 2 minus 1 over 3. So what are we going to do here? Your first step is your LCD, your lowest common denominator. So here we can see one of our expressions is involving x. So what do? Again, you find your common denominator. So what is the common denominator of x plus 2 and 3? So here the common denominator is the product of both. We multiply 3 and x plus 2. We just put the brackets like this. So this is our LCD, or our lowest common denominator. So now x plus 2 into our common denominator. So now we are dividing your x plus 2 and your common denominator. So it's like we have 3 and x plus 2 here divided by your x plus 2. So what is going to happen? X plus 2 is dividing this. So x plus 2 and x plus 2, they will cancel out. They will cancel each other. So your answer will be 3. So it means x plus 2 into your denominator x bracket x plus 2 is 3. The answer is 3. Same applies if you are dividing. If you are dividing your denominator with this one 3. So 3 and 3 will cancel out. So it means your answer will be x plus 2. Okay, so now let's deal with this one. Alright, x plus 2 into your common denominator. So this will give you 3. And this 3 is multiplying 2, which will give you 6. 3 into your denominator, 3 and 3 will cancel out. So your answer will be x plus 2. So this x plus 2 will multiply a 1. But this is not just a 1. It is taking this sign. So it will be minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. Now simplify the bracket. 6 minus 1 times x minus x minus 1 times 2, that's a negative 2, over your denominator, which is 3, x plus 2, like this. So now we can group the like terms and simplify. So we can see we have 6 and negative 2. So 6 minus 2, that's a 4. Then we have negative x over our denominator, which is 3 bracket x plus 2. So this will be your answer. No further simplification here. We cannot simplify further. So we leave our answer like this.